Welcome to our video on tips and tricks for improved self-service. Here are 3 basic but really important key tips for maintaining a great help center or knowledge base. First of all, choose a good title. Make it clear and relevant. Second, narrow the focus. Keep content specific and to the point. And 3, fill in the gaps. Ensure all necessary information is covered. Involve your agents. Let your agents help you create the knowledge that your customers can consume. This will keep your knowledge base up to date while also improving agent productivity. Agents can link articles to tickets and help maintain content accuracy, reducing strain on admins and decreasing costs, while increasing customer satisfaction. Utilize communities. Market trends have in the past and still are highlighting the value of communities. Communities can help with case deflection because customers help themselves, reducing support costs. Improve retention as engaged customers spend more, and better communication, which enhances productivity. Fun fact, 49% of businesses with online communities report an annual cost saving of 10 to 25%. And last but definitely not least, enhance self-service with Zendesk bots. The bot suggests Help Center articles in response to customer questions, providing a conversational experience that doesn't require agent involvement, saving resources and improving customer care. And with that, by implementing these tips, you can create a more efficient and engaging self-service experience, empower customers to find answers independently, reduce operational costs, and scale your support effortlessly. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips help you improve self-service offerings. Bye.